Here you go. We're going to go ahead and show you how to change the smoke machine on your LED coffee pot. It will come with a bottle of fluid for changing. This is coffee scented vapor fluid that's used for a vapor pen. Of course, we get the one that has zero nicotine. It comes coffee flavored, coffee amaretto, coffee caramel. There's dozens of coffee flavors, or you could put strawberry in it if you like. But of course, normally we would go with coffee, right? So to change the machine is very simple. Simply turn the machine on its side. Make sure that's not going to get scratched up or anything, but whatever you lay it on top of. But it's perfectly fine on its side. This vapor pen's all completely sealed up and everything in here. Nothing's going to leak if you turn it on its side. Then you're just going to push it in and turn it according to the colors. It's got colors that show where it sits when rests and where it sits when for the opening position. You're just going to push in slightly, 1/4 inch in and 1/4 of a turn. It just needs 1/4 of a turn to pop open, and that's it. And the smoke machine comes out. Normally, you would be able to fill it right here while it's on with it connected. But we're going to go ahead and show you that you can disconnect the power. You can just pull out the hose, and it's no problem. You have it. So what you're going to go ahead and do is, see there's a little tiny window right here. You're just going to slide that window down. Okay, once the window's down, you just take the fluid. Should have had that open already. And then just go ahead and fill the fluid up in the window. It's about the 4th take we've had, so it's already filled, obviously. And go ahead and push the window back up. And you're completely ready to go back in. Just go ahead and plug your power back in if you've taken it out. Some will have a USB, then we're moving up to a barrel connector on the newer ones. Put your hose in the line. No big deal. Just make sure you push the power cord back up in there. Make sure your colors line up. Push in 1/4 turn, and you're all set. Just go ahead and test it. Make sure that you didn't kink the line. And you've filled the vapor machine. 1, 2, easy peasy. We made sure that we've designed this that it's a very solid lugs, very solid function the way it goes in. It doesn't need to be done by anybody that's a technical manager. Doesn't have to do it. Any one of the barista, any one of the servers working there could go ahead and change that. On the guts version, I'll go ahead and show you real quick what you're working with. Is you're just trying to push up and over 1/4 to get that machine. It's just this little spring ring right there. That's all you're pushing up against. It's just a little ring there with a spring. So it just goes in, easy peasy, 1/4 turn, locked in place, and it's all done. Super easy to change the smoke machine or fill it.